Alright, so we've been canning lots of tomatoes, hundreds of tomatoes, and that's caused a few mice to come into the house. A couple that we saw, and there was one down here in the closet. So what I did is I put some steel wool in there, in the crack, in the hole, and then I covered it with some metal. Bent this metal back, screwed it into the stud here, and now they can't get in and out. And then I'll put some wall base all the way around in here, which I didn't put back in when I did the tile work, which was stupid of me. But I'm gonna go and do that today. That way, if they do try to get in and they try to chew through here, it'll be harder with the wood there installed. And I'm gonna be using some real wood. See that? I think it's a pine wood, but it's real wood for the baseboard. This actually was in this room here that we're going to put a taller one. So we're not going to need this, so I'll just use this for that little closet there. Alright, I took some of this old baseboard and I sanded it, primered it, and painted it, and this is what you get. I haven't even nailed it in there, it's just kind of sitting in place. I wanted to see what it looked like. I just painted it. So I'll go and brad nail these in, and then I'll caulk the cracks, and then I'll be done. Alright, here's the end result. I went around and put caulking in the nail holes from the brad nails. And then I repainted those spots, caulked every crack. Looks good now. No way a mouse is going to get in here or be able to go through that. Unless it was like a big rat. Took all night chewing at it. And even then I don't think it'd be able to get through that. Well, maybe it would. These little mice, I doubt it. So next I gotta work on the bathroom because there's a hole underneath the vanity sink, if you can believe that.